Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Hope is a Thing with Feathers by Emily Dickinson. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop Hope is a Thing with Feathers. Warming up, chit chat. First question: do you ever feel nervous? Answer: yes, when I am sad and lonely. Second question: do you ever feel really depressed? Answer: yes, sometimes I feel depressed before exams or speech. Third question: what makes you nervous or depressed? Answer: the pressure of exam and when things not done as per wish. Fourth question: what do you hope for on these occasions? Answer: I hope I will do my best next time. Fifth question: have you hoped for something that you knew was difficult? Answer: it is difficult for us to win 400-meter relay last year when our one team member fell ill while practice session. I hoped he will cure and won the relay. What do you have to do to fulfill your hopes? Answer: we must believe in ourselves, work hard to achieve the goals. The only ray of hope. A. Marooned on an island. In the beginning, we felt very frightened and confused. We felt that we could not get away to come back to our destination. We saw only trees and water everywhere. We felt that we have to live here for rest of life. For some time, we sat together and discussed the route of our escape. Suddenly, we noticed the ship was in the sea. We made fire to draw their attention. We started to shout loudly also. They noticed us and sent a small boat towards the island, and we were carried safely to the ship. We thanked God and the crew of the ship. B. Lost in forest. In the beginning, we shivered because of the calmness and loneliness of the forest. Everywhere we heard different noises around us. We thought that we could not come out of the forest and the wild animal would eat our flesh as a feast. But suddenly half-naked Adivasi came there. But he could not understand our language. But somehow we could explain him that we had lost in the forest. Kindly he guided us and brought us out of the forest to the group of pilgrims. C. Stranded on the highway. Once we, a team of players from our office, got down at wrong place on the highway at night. That was a lonely spot. We looked here and there but could not understand the place. Suddenly a police patrolling van came towards us and stopped. They helped us to take right way and we were escaped. Describe your surroundings in 4 to 5 sentences. These are just guidelines. A. It was a lonely island. There was water everywhere. No sign of any boat or ship, etc. B. It was a dense forest. There were only trees, various animals and their sounds. C. Just a very wide street, not a single vehicle on the road. Write the reaction of your companions using exclamation. A. Wow! Oh God! How wonderful! Oh no! What a luck! How terrible! Using your imagination, write what is only ray of hope for you. A. Keep faith in unity. Let look for help. Think about how to get help, and just then we saw the sheep. B. May someone meet us so that we could come out of the forest. At the same time, we met Adivasi. C. We were thinking what to do next. We saw the police van. Your two group members are going out to try to get help. Which 5 things they can take with them and why? Answer A, B and C. Torch, to find way, to give signal. Whistle, to give signal. Food packet, if get hungry. A water bottle, to drink water. A stick, to threaten animals. A knife, to cut the creeper in the way, to protect ourselves. First, what would be the hope bird's food? Can it live on without that food? Answer, the food of the hope bird is a crumb. Poetess says it can live without the food. A1. A. Complete the sentences. First, the song of the hope sounds sweetest in the gale. Second, the hope bird stays in the soul. Next, hope is a thing with feathers. Next, hope sings the tune without the words. A1B. Write whether the given statements are true or false. Hope is like a bird. True. We can't hurt the hope in the gale. False. Hope is not easily defeated. True. Hope always offers comfort. True. A2. Complete the verb. Place where the speaker has heard the hope. In the chillest land, on the strangest sea. A2. Describe the hope. It is the thing with feathers. It rests in the soul. It sings the tune without the words. It never stops. A3. Do as directed. First question. Write the rhyming pairs from the poem. Answer. Soul, all. Herd, bird. Storm, warm. Sea, me. Second question. Find the figures of speech from the sentence. Hope is the thing with feathers. Metaphor. Hope is compared with the thing with feathers, that is bird. Personification. Hope is described as living thing. Third question. Find out superlative adjective form. Answer. Chillest, strangest, sweetest. English workshop. First question. Match the following. Answers are given directly. Hope, bird. Gale or storm, difficulties or problems. Keep warm, provide comfort. Chillest land, toughest time in life. A crumb, a very small bit. Second question. Use the proper form of the verb in each line. Hope is a thing with feathers. B. That perches in the soul. C. And sings the tune without the words. D. And never stops at all. Third question. Read the examples and fill in the blanks in the same pattern. Example. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Fast, faster, fastest. High, higher, highest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Slow, slower, slowest. Low, lower, lowest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Cold, colder, coldest. B. Example. Strange, stranger, strangest. Brave, braver, bravest. Simple, simpler, simplest. close, closer, closest, fine, finer, finest, wise, wiser, wisest. See example: pretty, prettier, prettiest, nasty, nastier, nastiest, angry, angrier, angriest, hungry, hungrier, hungriest, naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Fourth question: find the phrases or lines in the poem that mean the following. A. Hope is a light, delicate thing. Hope is a thing with feathers. B. Hope offers comfort to our soul, that perches in the soul. C. Hope is not a wordy thought, it is more like a feeling and emotion, and sings the tune without the words. D. In the most difficult times, hope offers the greatest comfort, and sore must be the storm. E. Hope is not easily defeated and never stops at all. F. Hope has given comfort to many people that kept so many warm. G. Hope lives on every hard times, even when it gets nothing from you. Yet never in extremity, it asks a crumb of me. Fifth question: we can relate many of our feelings and experiences to events or things in the nature. Which of our feelings or experiences we can relate to the following? Darkness, sadness or depression. Sunrise, hope. Sunshine, happiness. A rainbow, joy. Dark clouds, difficult situations. A peacock, beauty. A storm, problems. A light shower, a sign of love. Earthquake, unexpected situations. Dawn, hope. Dusk, end of something. Flood, sorrow. Sixth question: write in few lines about an experience of your own where you scored in your exam much more than you hoped for. What did that experience teach you? Answer: my experience when I score more in an exam unexpectedly. It was the surprise test of composition announced by our Marathi teacher. She asked us to write our feelings about the rain, the first rain. As soon as we got the subject, every one of us started writing. But on the next day, after the prayer, teacher announced the names of the best composition awards. I really surprised when I heard my name as best composition writer. I knew I can write, but it was the unbelievable success for me. I inspired by it, and nowadays I can write fluently on any topic.